Hey, it's Dwayne Desveaux, your Ottawa Real Estate Agent, and today we're located in the Ottawa community of Stittsville. Stittsville is located on the west side of Ottawa, approximately 30 minutes from downtown Ottawa, and we are in a new build community called Shea Village within Stittsville. And there's many builders in this community, and we're going to be taking a look at one of Patten Homes' model homes. It's a townhome, absolutely stunning townhome, if I do say so myself. But before we begin, for those of you who are returning to my channel, welcome back. For those of you who are new to my channel, as I mentioned, my name is Dwayne Desveaux. I am an Ottawa real estate agent out here traveling around the city, providing you with all of the information, the real estate information, so that I'm able to either assist you with purchasing one of these absolutely stunning, beautiful homes, or maybe just providing you with the information so that you're able to make an informed decision about which community in Ottawa you want to live in. Now, with that being said, again, here we are in Shea Village. I'm going to take a tour of this model home. I'm going to continue to put out content, but you need to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button. That'll encourage me to continue to put out this content so that I know I'm helping people. And with that being said, let's go take a look at this absolutely stunning townhome. Let's go. Okay, welcome to this view of this awesome newly constructed model home by Patten Homes. This is the Beckwith model here in the new build community of Shea Village in Stittsville, located approximately 30 minutes west of downtown Ottawa. This model will give you just under 2,000 square feet, which includes 2 large bedrooms and 2.5 baths with premium finishes. The basement isn't finished on this model, nor does it come as a standard with these models, so it's important to have a realtor negotiate on your behalf if this is something you're considering. As we go in, one of my favorite features of this model is the second floor loft. Enjoy. All right, so there you have it. That is a model home by Patten Homes here in the new build community of Shea Village in Stittsville, a suburb here in the west side of Ottawa. If you're a family thinking about moving to Stittsville, here's something you'll love. This community was built with families in mind. Stittsville is home to some of Ottawa's best schools, making it a top pick for parents who want a strong education for their kids. Plus, the area is packed with family-friendly amenities, parks, splash pads, and trails like the Trans-Canada Trail, which runs right through the neighborhood. Let's not forget about Stittsville's close-knit feel.
Despite its growth, it still has that small town charm where neighbors actually know each other. If you're looking for a place where your kids can grow up safely while still being close to city conveniences, Stittsville is hard to beat. As always, I'm going to put my contact information up for any questions that you might have about this particular community or builder, or if it's another community or builder that you might have questions for, don't hesitate to reach out. I have a relationship with these builders, and I'd love to leverage that relationship in order to help you secure your dream home, whether in this community or another one in the city. Again, if you have any questions, just reach out, and I'll do my best to get you what you need. So, with that being said, I will see you on the next video.